Hi guys, it's Mama here, and here's Lisa with Nana. So, Alexis.
And we are here with another vlog.
Yeah.
So it's a rainy day in Georgia today.
Yeah.
So we decided to paint our nails. See her pretty pink nails.
Look guys, look at my toes too.
And her toes. And I brushed her hair. We fixed it. Her cute curly hair. She gets her hair from me, but I always keep mine in a ponytail and straighten it. So I don't particularly like curly hair on myself.
Look guys.
Yeah. Okay, don't mess it up. We don't want to mess it up.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, okay. So today is not a homeschool day. We are just kind of chilling out today. What else are we gonna do today?
Get Play-Doh and let Buddy go to sleep.
I think we might play with Play-Doh.
Yeah, when Buddy's go to sleep.
Yep, when our littlest one goes to sleep.
Yeah, we gotta do our school first.
We're not gonna do school today.
Nope.
Today is going to be a snow day / rain day.
Yeah, we day.
So just wanted to update you guys. Hope you have a good day. Bye.
Bye.